Girl, are you was seen on the morning?
Oh gosh.
Each and every morning, from night until dawning, my darling. Girl, are you?
All we have to do, you know, just give the woman and them song, you know. Cause the woman them like hear them song, yeah. You want me to show you something again now?
Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Wally love and blessings, welcome to Lionfoot TV, Zane. Anyone that Wally love and blessings, you know, big up everybody on the platform. Yeah man, if you're new to the channel, you don't know, welcome, make yourself at home. Yeah man, please consider subscribing, click the bell so you don't miss our content when I drop one, see? Yes. Some of viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, you don't know, William Nib student sentenced to 4 years and 10 months. Zine for MURDR. We're going in a March. No, when I say that, I say John no star. What? Not justice, none of this. You see me? We're going to have a look at talk and ask, you know, some questions. So leave your opinion in the comment section. Saying, yeah, we're going to have a look at discussions. Come in know how I go on Jamaica. You see me? Yes, and the justice. I
name the hot feet rhythm, you know. Yeah? I feature the hot feet rhythm for you know. A Sipper Records.
Yes, man, big up yourself Sipper Record. The rhythm is so nice. Yeah, man, hot feet. You don't know, Just Chris have a song on it named Girl Like You, and Cartel have a song on it. See? Yes. Well, I only know of those two songs so far, but I'm going to make a piece of Just Chris song. See, but before we get into it, I don't know where I pay the bills. We are far. Here, you don't know Jacqueline Anne-Marie Smith, otherwise known as Anne, big promoter, party promoter, saying I don't know a Brownie mother. This vlog is sponsored by Brownie Mechanic. Big up yourself, Brownie. I don't know the 8th year anniversary remembrance celebration, you know what I mean, of Anne Zine. The date of the 27th of January 2023. Location in South London. Time from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. Tickets £10. For more information, please call 07940278740 or 0777-029-3337. The numbers on the screen. As you may say, music by London's finest. No smoking will be permitted. I don't know. Yeah man, just roll out and come pay your respect and show your support, you know what I mean, to Anne and Memorial, see? You know, Anne support dancehall, public figure in a dancehall, and to support a lot of promoters, see? So make it, put it in your diary and make it a priority. The 27th of January 2023, see? Yeah man, I don't know, Anne Memorial. You know what I say?
Yeah. You was seen on the morning. Each and every morning, from night until dawning.
Alright, you ready now?
Girl, like you, me was seen in the morning, and my nature is calling. Hey, that song they catchy in it. I grew up and me already in a Just Chris. Sipper Record, yo, my viewers and subscribers. But anyway, William Nib, student sentenced to 4 years and 10 months for MURDER. Zine, now, when me saw this in the news, big up White Shadow who sent it to me, but me, I already saw it already and said me I'm going to cover it because me can't understand. He pleaded guilty to manslaughter, Zane, and well, Trim pleaded guilty still, maybe that's why I'm getting a 4 year, but me not think that's sufficient, me not think that's enough, that's very lenient, you know what I mean, and me don't know my viewers and subscribers, so I'm going to put it out there and ask you no question, what do you think? I don't know, Lionfoot no wish bad for nobody, you see me, and at the end of the day, the judge give out him discipline and him sanctions, and that himself 4 years and 10 months. Zine for murder for MURDER of Kamal Al. The youth who got dirt is Kamal Al. Zine? And them a fight over a guard ring. Remember that incident that happened sometime in March. You get to me I say, so now we went to court Monday. You see me today, the 5th of December, and he got sentenced to 4 years and 10 months for MURDER. How do you think the parents of the deceased feel right now? You think them feel let down and the justice system has failed them again? I think so. And me would have feel that way because my child not there no more. You get me? My child is not here no more. If it's a mommy, you know, or papa, or help do something more, you know what I mean? He's no longer here with us on earth with the parents them. And him for just gone and work house now. Gone spending time. Run off him 4 years, but I quit 4 years. Done and him come out, you know what I mean? Would I feel I am mighty say, hey, me come out at MURDER already, you know, so now ramp with me and him could have maybe him can go reform, maybe him can rehabilitate, maybe him can come out a better person, or still come out to be a bad person for escalate upon him crime, him action. You see me I say, because sometimes these youth nowadays, them don't think before them act, and sometimes them think and premeditate, because for you stab somebody, you must think and know say when you stab it can be fatal or detrimental or what, you see me? So him do action, and me basically think it's soft still. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. See? Let me know what you think. You know what I mean? And condolence to the families, them parents them off. You don't know Kamal all. You see me? Yes, man. Really, and students them. If you don't see this or hear this, behave on yourself and stay with a crime. You see me? Stay away from trouble. Walk away. Is it? Boy, and the girls them. And we also see girls that do the same thing in the school them too. Stop. You see me? Yes, so 4 years and 10 months for MURDER. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Over guard ring, you know. You know what I'm fight over? Guard ring. You don't believe in a guard ring? Yo, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think still. Yeah, man, serious thing, fun and joke aside. So now we don't know Just Chris, my brother from another mother. You know what I mean? Yeah, my song right now named Girl Like You, produced by Sipper Records. So I don't know, so I go to look at highlight on it because it grew and I see it playing a dancer. I like it, I like the melody, I like the delivery, I like the mix, the master, everything. And the rhythm bad. You see me? I want to make a piece of the rhythm. Sipper beg a piece of the rhythm now. Yeah, man, Just Chris, make Sipper know so I'm begging piece of the rhythm. So I say big the whole Sipper team. You see me? I say Olympic, Painland, One Link, Cockburn Pen. You see me? I say White Wing, yeah man, Bell Rock. Our place, our ground. See? Unity and strength. Stop the crime and make music and money. You see me I say? Yeah man, so here look a piece of a job. I love what the selector you end the song to, you know. Yeah man, mad.
I name the hot feet rhythm, you know. Yeah? I feature the hot feet rhythm for you know. A Sipper Records. Yeah, with me I show you. So big up myself with a Sipper. Then and each and every one all over the world.
Yo, the rhythm bad no bongo cat.
Then come here making a noise now. This is one of the biggest hit song that will be playing in your dance hall in the future. Remember you heard it from New Sensation family. Big up on yourself. You with me I show you.
Yes man, I really thought the general I make, man. I strongly believe so too. Next summer, watch and see what I go with that song. You blow up all the rhythm.
I know say our work starting us. How we always giving you the new series here. That will live by my name, not true? Alright, but ready now? Big up yourself, you know, Just Chris. Cause Just Chris, I send that one out to the girls.
Yeah, but big up the New Sensation family. Trouble there with that song, yeah, you know.
Seen all the morning, each and every morning, from night until dawning, my darling. Girl, are you? Seen all the morning, each and every morning, from night until dawning.
Alright, you ready now?
Yo, me can see the whole of the skank and them a skank on this Uptown Monday and all of that party in Jamaica on the ground. What? Trouble?
Be a girl call me, my voice made them relax and on
Yo, let me tell you something, you know, I took it.
Be a girl grab me.
That rhythm me a wait for you, you know, youth. Yo, Dog Star.
We make
me I tell you that rhythm me a wait for you, you know.
you
know what I mean? Alright, Just Chris, for the woman them again now. Oh, pull it up there. Yeah, cause it's a Sipper production, you know. Yeah, Mother Road.
Telling me, girl.
Alright, to the wall, listen.
It's only you. Girl, are you? Seen all the morning.
What you telling me? This song not bad. This song a hit. Yeah man, big up yourself Just Chris. Big up yourself Sipper. You find it? Yeah man, you don't know. Big up yourself New Sensation. Viewers and subscribers, I hit that, you know. Let me know what you think in the comment section about the youth. We get the 4 years and 10 months for the MURDER. You see me? I remember Brownie Mother and Memorial. The 27th of January 2023. See it? Yeah man, don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe. The support is highly appreciated. Be gone.
Move mountains. I know that is a fact. You know long me a try. 15 years and no lie. No producers tell me say me talented, but now vice me don't know why. Family members who can help, acting like they're blind. Fake friends who laugh and criticize, I cut them half blind.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.